Legend of the best day. Kumasnam, all the officials from the other European country. I'm very grateful to be here. I just want to say a few words in Tibetan first. Then I will explain a little bit in English so that everybody can understand. Da three conceptual Tongar Imun Bela Netanda the TCB Honorary Kazan Line Chukti Yonton Yabudo Sikanas in the East Shui things in Nina Chago to the Zodo the TCB Channel Snippet Chale Chari now in Tower to the Chess in Shui then the Pogolo Choma poet chapter very interview. That again, so that everybody can understand. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Kalu Rinpoche. I'm not really big and important as they have explained. They have given a very big impression that I am recognized like this, and I'm this master, and I'm that, and I'm this. I'm nothing like that. I'm just a human being. Like our Kundu, he has shown the example. Even he is the great 14th, His Holiness Dalai Lama. He always called himself, I'm a simple Buddhist monk, and one of the 7 billion people in this world. And that is an example. And I am as a practitioner, as a Tibetan, and I'm willing to take that footstep, so that is my inspiration. And first of all, I would like to say that it is such a beautiful example and inspiring to see all the Tibetan youth, singing, dancing, poet, and I'm very happy to witness all of that. And I have a request to all of you, as a Tibetan youth, as a Tibetan family, myself as a Tibetan. Regardless of the challenges that we may face, and we're still facing in Tibet and outside of Tibet, of course, motivation is very important. Our belief is very important. Followed by an example of the Kundu is very important as a Tibetan, as an individual. But the most important of all is to have an inner peace. The more you have an inner peace and the stability, the more you can strengthen your motivation. And for our nation as a Tibetan, yes, making a passive approach is a method that is shown by our Kundu, definitely. But in order to generate that passive approach in the long run, we need to have an inner peace. Without an inner peace that is shown by the great example by Kundu, like an example, practicing Dharma based on the reason, logic, and scientific approach, and not a blind faith. So I think following these sort of example, I think is very important. So that's that. And I just want to say, I don't want to make you bored. You have so many time to engage with the different religious figures. So I don't want to be one of the person who give you speech what to do with your life. So I just want to say, thank you very much for inviting me here, and I'm so fortunate to be here. And if there's any service for our Tibetan youth and community in the future, and I will be there for you for the rest of my life, as long as I breathe. Peace.